All right, we are live. Let me go ahead and find my switches here. Here we are, live once again with Elite Consultants. And we're going to talk a little bit about the stock market trading program that we offer out there. Right after I show a little information about it, we'll jump in and explain about the new 30-day trading program we've got.
You need to hear this if you're curious about trading stocks or crypto but worry about losing money. Let's talk risk-free learning. Welcome to Elite Credit and Investment Program, where you can learn to trade stocks and cryptocurrencies in a completely simulated environment. No risk, all reward. Imagine gaining the skills to navigate volatile markets confidently, all while using TradingView, absolutely free with any package bundle. That's right. A professional-grade trading platform at your fingertips, with zero financial risk. Our simulated trading experience lets you practice real-time strategies, test your knowledge, and grow your confidence, all before you ever put your money on the line. It's the perfect way to learn and master the markets. Ready to start your journey? Call 1-939-739-4045 to schedule a free Zoom class, or visit elitecreditandinvestmentadvisors.com to fill out our contact form. Don't wait. Take control of your financial future today with risk-free trading powered by TradingView. Elite Credit and Investment Program. Your path to mastering the market starts here.
All right. So here we are, live with Miss Emma and Miss Giselle on the Elite Trading platform. I'm going to go ahead and bring my chart off just for a minute so that we can chat. We're going to chat for a little while this morning about the 30-day trading program. So it's awesome. We do a little 30-day in-house Zoom stock market trading program. It's very, very interesting in that there's so many people out there that want to learn a little something about the stock market. Maybe they've downloaded a Robinhood app or a little something. And maybe they've learned through Credit Karma how to place a little money in the market, kind of play around a little bit. But they want to take that next step. They want to go a little further and learn more about the market without losing their shirt, losing the farm, so to speak. So what we do is we've got a 30-day step-by-step program. We do week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. First 2 weeks are primary TradingView. We use the TradingView simulator. And we train all the little gadgets and the bells and whistles that you're going to need to learn how to chart your progress, how to enter your trade, how to exit your trade, how to protect yourself against a stop loss, for example, or where to take profit, all of these little nuances. And we have a course syllabus just like colleges got on a day-to-day program. So you get the course rules, you get all of the same things you would as if you were taking a course from college via our Zoom class. And once again, you will be trading in a simulated environment. Although it's live market data, you'll be trading in a simulated environment in which you don't have any actual real money to lose. You're just, in theory, making trades to see if you've got a knack for it. So Ms. Emma, tell us a little bit about what we can expect and how things go and that sort of thing.
Okay, good morning, elite people. We are actually excited today. And yes, we have a 30-day course or program to elite people that are interested. Elite people means those person that has ambition and goal to learn more in trading. So within 30-day program on week one, we actually make it sure that on your week one of the program, the foundation is there, and we made it sure that the step-by-step process in learning will be applied for every student that will gonna enroll in our program. So on week one, we're gonna start with your day one as we welcome you and give you the course overview. So the goal here on your week one is to set up tools, learn market structure, key concepts in technical and fundamental analysis. So on your day one, we're gonna make your first day onboarding and explain the course overview. And on your day two, it's the market structure, chart basics, support resistance, candlestick types, time frames. So we will discuss on your day two. On day three, it's actually the introduction to future markets. What are futures? Mini micro contracts, margin ticks, and on your day four, it's about technical indicators and through moving your averages, RSI, and on your Friday, it's about fundamental analysis basics, economic reports, news flows, interest rates, market sentiment. So basically, on your week one, you will be able to learn the basic part of the trading program little by little, and we made it sure that every day will be connected each topic for you to understand more the program. So that's on your week one. So it's a very exciting topic day by day, and that will make you learn more and be interested more in doing trading. So that would be in the week one of the program.
Fantastic. I believe Giselle's got us on week two. Talk to us about week two, Miss Giselle.
Yes, hello everyone. Good morning. So I'll be talking about the week two. All we have for week two is about deep diving into technicals, also economic drivers, but still it's on trading view. So what will gonna be happening in day one? Of course, it will be on Monday. So we'll have the focus areas of flags, of wedges, of head and shoulders, the support and or resistance. So our topic for this will be the chart patterns and also trend lines. So we're gonna be learning about that. Up until the day 10, so we're gonna have the technical and also fundamental combined playbook. So the focus areas for this are the case studies that are used the case studies that are using both types of analysis and also types of analysis for the real trade. So we're gonna have here in this week the volume, order, flow, and DOM basics, also the economic calendar and also impact events, and the risk management and position sizing. So for this, basically, in addition to that, are the reading volume spikes and institutional footprints, and also we're gonna have the CPI. So we're gonna be knowing what is CPI, NFP, FOMC, and also how to prepare and trade around them. So account, of course, in trading is gonna be it is important to really have the protection for accounts and also the R multiples and the leverage limit. So we're gonna know about those things. We're gonna learn, and of course we're gonna be manipulating all of them. And so the overall goal for this week will be we're gonna be building full trade setups and also in corporate economic context for a timing trade. So again, for this week, we're gonna have the building of full trade setups, and also corporate economic context for timing trade. So that's going to be for the week 2. So again, deep dive technicals and also economic drivers. That is still on TradingView. So that's all for week 2, sir.
Fantastic, fantastic. So I want to take the viewers through a little bit. I've got you a chart pulled up here. We are taking, and again, the first 2 weeks of the training, you're going to be going through all of the little bells and whistles of the charts. You're going to learn what the technical analysis is, what the fundamental analysis of stock is. We are primarily focused in this entire 30 days are going to be on futures. The reason that we focus on futures is it's the lowest entry point that you can get into for the smallest amount of money if you decide to trade in a real market account. And you can get in for a very low amount of money and you can trade, make a little profit. Now, you're going to hear all kinds of people trying to sell you get rich quick schemes. I always just tell them the same thing. If you could actually trade that well and make that much money that fast, you would never have a training course. Well, we, I suppose, are sort of the exception to that, because what we want to show is we want to show how you can make $100 or a couple of $100 a day on a regular basis. Maybe make $100 today, maybe not trade tomorrow. Maybe trade Wednesday, make another $100. You can get in for a relatively low amount of money, and you can trade, and you can make an extra payment on your car, an extra payment on your house, a little pocket money, if you're trading real money. But the truly incredible thing is you don't ever have to take that step to trade real money unless you're real motivated and you feel like you can make it. How are you going to know if you're going to make it? Is you're going to trade like this chart you see right here. You're going to trade this practice account. So this is a TradingView practice account. You see it says TradingView here down on the lower left-hand side. I've got the candlesticks pulled up pretty sizable so you can see them. You can see that green candle made a little jump up right there. So that would be, I'll turn it over here where I can see, that would be a good indicator. We could trade that movement up right there. I like to say that I use 2 movements up and over to the left as a trading indicator to get in there. So let's take a look real quick. We're going to click our trading button. This is going to pull up our trading chart. You see right here on the right, it says blue for buy. We've got, first off, let me make sure that, okay, I am on paper trading. I have to look at it very closely because this is hooked to a live money account. I don't want to just throw live money in there without looking carefully at it. So it is trading. I've got 2 green candlestick indicators going up. Right this moment, I just had a red indicator come down on that candle. So I'm going to wait just a second before I trade. But naturally, I'm going to reach up. I'm going to click my take profit button. I'm going to click my stop loss button. Absolutely every time you trade, you want to make sure your stop losses are in place and your take profits in place. So we are watching the Micro E-mini NASDAQ 100 Index futures right now. This is live. It's live data. You see that red candle right there? What I'm looking for is I am looking for a green indicator up, at least 1 green indicator up or sideways. I would prefer to have 2 green indicators up before I bought in to watch the trend. And I have been watching what's called the trend here go for 1, 3, 5, depending on the days. You see these 3 candlesticks climbing up right here. This would have been a good spot to get in right there or right there. So let's go back, and we see this got a little green candle started. That's a good indicator. We can wait a second and see if it's going to continue the upward trend. And then did pull back a little bit there, so it's good we didn't jump into that. So let's watch again for a minute. We're just going to watch it for a second and see what it's trending to do. We see that it is a bullish market. It is trying to crawl up, and if we click these indicators over here, these lines, we can draw moving average, convergence, divergence, which is the MACD. We can use the Fibonacci sequence. We can use all sorts of things to indicate that the trend is up. But what I like to do is I like to use those as well. But I also like to know the market well enough to know that it's fluctuating and what the upward indicators are. I see these 2 upward indicators in the green right here. The candles are trying to climb up just a little. It went up a little bit right there. It went over to the right. You see the other little green trend? We're going to go ahead and buy in right there. We're going to send the order. As soon as it gets just a second green indicator, we'll go ahead and send that in, and we'll see live if it'll go up far enough to make just a little profit. So I'm going to go ahead and send that in. Now you see I've got my stop loss set down here around $49. And confirm that. I'm going to go ahead and pull this take profit from 51. I'm going to bring it down to $25. Well, put it right back up there. There we go. Confirm. So if this green candle goes, it just literally just did go up and touch and give us a profit. So we just made, while we were doing our demonstration right there, we just made a good smooth $15 or so and so many cents. So it's just literally that quick. So it's not a lot, but I mean, if you do $15, if you do 10 trades a day, it'd be 150. So let's say you traded 5 times today, you would be in at $75 a day. $75 times 5 days a week. You know, if you're just popping in for a few minutes here and there, that's an extra paycheck. So the idea is to join us live every day, Monday through Friday. Take the course, learn the information, learn the language, learn the devices, learn the process. And if it's something you feel like you're interested in doing, we are here Monday through Friday. We start a new class at the beginning of every month. Just to let you know a little bit about it, Miss Emma and Miss Giselle have covered what is involved with, you know, week course week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4 get into the Ninja Trading Platform, which is the broker. So TradingView is the simulator, and it's the stock market educator, so to speak. The Ninja Trader is the broker that we use, and we process the actual money through the brokerage, which is Ninja Trader. So this point, we're going to go ahead and pop off. We're going to try to do 15 or 20 minutes every day, Monday through Friday, let you know what we're doing. I hope that you tune back and get with us another time and jump in there. I'm going to let Miss Emma and Miss Giselle give you some words of encouragement as we pop off and move on toward tomorrow. Miss Emma, you've got the floor.
Okay, well, thank you so much, sir, for such a nice presentation on the paper trading. And as what we discussed earlier, if you are interested to learn in crypto trading and learn and how um, to do smart investing, you may contact us at 877-587-4540. It's never too late. You still have the time to learn. No age requirements. I mean, if you are 18 above, you are actually allowed to learn crypto trading. And Elite Consultant Investment will be happy to assist you. Your success will be our success at the same time, and your victory is our testimony. So good morning, guys. See you some other time tomorrow morning.
Miss Giselle, you want to say sign off for our folks, and then I'll click our outro video.
Yes, hello again. Good morning, everyone. I just want to add on that don't stop trying. And also, we are inviting you to really be with us and start trying us, as we are going to be with you in this journey of your success in this industry and, of course, in your life. So that's it, guys. See you tomorrow and be with us tomorrow.
Feeling stuck in your financial journey? Let's unlock the path to wealth with Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Welcome to the 3 Pillars of Wealth. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe in empowering you with credit mastery, smart investing, and top-notch financial education. Tune in to Rincon Rocks Radio daily at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 7 p.m. for powerful tips and proven techniques that will transform your financial future. From boosting your credit score with our Dispute Beast tool, to mastering the stock market with TradingView, and even building an AI-powered business. Catch us live or watch replays on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Visit EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com or call 1-939-739 4045 for your free strategy session. Live Wealthy Now, #3 Pillars of Wealth, #Elite Advisors, #Rincon Rocks Radio.